Now we look at examples of how to elaborate the text and the interactions with the students. Now you'll find this a little bit daunting as it is quite different from your usual teaching experience and practice. I found that once I'd done this with a few sentences, I began to get into the swing of it and become more comfortable. The thing about all of this is there is no absolute correct way to do this. So if you don't underline the same words I underline, that doesn't matter. The point is that the more words in the sentence the students look at, the more words that you describe or you change or you underline, that gives more understanding to every aspect of the sentence. I tend to underline slightly more than others. And nothing is either right or wrong. You just have to choose, because you're running this, you have to choose what words you wish to work with in any sentence.